Let's take a look at doing strawberries the quick and dirty way with our quick and dirty container gardening series. Let's get it started. Now I know what you're thinking, he really needs to stain that fence. That's true. Here at the Liberty 76 homesteading channel, we've got projects galore, and it seems to be never ending. But let's get to today's project. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do hanging baskets for strawberries, and then we're going to do one on the ground container as well. Going to see which way grows better. First time I'm growing strawberries, so we're going to be learning together on this one. Unless, of course, you know more than I do, which I'll appreciate any of that in the comments. So got it lined up here. Got this thing from Amazon, these baskets. And got to back out a couple of planks here on the other side because they're offset, so the hangers won't fit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to back these out, and the back side of the hangers are going to hang right between those boards, and then we'll just tighten them back down until they're good and snug like that right there. So got it all assembled. Didn't take much. Came with screws and wing nuts, which hopefully those hold up. If not, we'll throw some Loctite on them. Got a little DiatomaceousEarth. Trying that out for the first time. Mixed that in with the soil already. Just did Miracle Grow. Like I said, it's quick and dirty. Got them planted here. And, yep, about 6 feet at inches you need of depth. Keep them, I think, 8 to 12 inches apart. And I just soaked it until water started coming out of those that coconut basket material. And now we're going to try our, I've never used this before either, this compressed cocoa mix, these bricks. So I'm not sure if I'm using them right or not. Put them in our terracotta pot, watered them down. I think next time I do one of these, I'm going to put them like in a pan and soak them for a while instead of continually water them while it tries to drain out the bottom. So gotta get the bricks finally soaked long enough I could break them up. And then I'm basically going to mix the Miracle Grow potting soil with some Diatomaceous earth and see how that works out. Just kind of mixing it in there as the layers go. Pour a little bit in, mix it up, pour a little bit more on there, mix it up. And then we got her topped off, soak it some more. And we're going to plant 2 strawberry plants in there. Going to do our best to try to keep those things watered daily. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Appreciate your comments. And share the video if you can. We're trying to get the word out here and get more people involved. And look forward to seeing everybody on the next episode.